Welcome to a deep dive into the fascinating world of variational autoencoders, or VAEs, and their transformative impact on the realm of AI art. For decades, the creation of art has been an exclusively human endeavor, driven by imagination and skill. However, with the advent of advanced artificial intelligence, specifically generative models, we are witnessing a paradigm shift. VAEs stand at the forefront of this revolution, enabling machines to not only understand existing art, but also to generate entirely new, unique, and often breathtaking pieces. This journey will explore the fundamental principles that allow VAEs to decode the very essence of creativity, providing artists with powerful new tools and opening up unprecedented avenues for artistic expression and exploration. Get ready to discover how these sophisticated algorithms are reshaping our understanding of art and its creation. At its core, a variational autoencoder is a type of neural network designed to learn efficient representations of data, known as a latent space, and then use that representation to generate new data. Unlike a traditional autoencoder, which simply learns to compress and decompress data, a VA introduces a crucial probabilistic element. Instead of mapping an input directly to a fixed point in the latent space, the VA maps it to a distribution, typically a Gaussian distribution, characterized by a mean and a variance. This probabilistic twist is what gives VAs their powerful generative capabilities, allowing them to create variations and new data points that closely resemble the original training data but are not exact copies. This fundamental difference transforms the VA into a potent tool for artistic generation. Let's zoom in on the encoder component of the VAE. The encoder's primary role is akin to an artist's analytical eye, examining a complex image and distilling its essence into a concise, meaningful representation. It takes high-dimensional data, such as the thousands or millions of pixels that make up an image, and compresses this information into a much lower-dimensional latent space. Crucially, the VAE encoder doesn't just produce a single point. Instead, it outputs two vectors for each input, one representing the mean, mu, and another representing the variance, sigma squared, of a Gaussian distribution. This means that for every input image, the encoder defines a probabilistic cloud in the latent space, reflecting the inherent uncertainties and variations in the data. This transformation from concrete pixels to abstract statistical parameters is the first step in unlocking generative potential. The latent space is arguably the heart of the VAE's generative power. Imagine it as a continuous, multidimensional landscape where every point corresponds to a unique piece of art or a unique feature set. Similar artworks or concepts are clustered together in this landscape, meaning that small movements within this space correspond to smooth, meaningful transitions in the generated output. Because the encoder outputs a distribution, we don't pick a fixed point, but rather sample from this distribution. This sampling process introduces an element of randomness, allowing the VAE to generate novel variations of an input or entirely new creations by simply sampling different points within this learned probabilistic landscape. It's this structured, continuous, and probabilistic nature of the latent space that empowers VAEs to be truly creative, exploring an infinite landscape of possibilities rather than just memorizing and reproducing existing data. Once we have a sampled point or vector from the latent space, the decoder steps in. If the encoder is the analytical eye, the decoder is the generative hand, translating abstract concepts back into tangible art. Its function is essentially the reverse of the encoder. It takes that low-dimensional latent vector and expands it, reconstructing it into a high-dimensional output, which in our context is a new image or artwork. The decoder has learned, during training, how to interpret these latent codes and transform them into coherent, visually appealing images. By feeding it different latent vectors, either variations of encoded inputs or entirely new, sampled points from the latent space, the decoder can bring forth an endless array of unique artistic creations. This is where the magic of AI art truly comes alive, as the decoder meticulously renders complex visual information from a simple conceptual input. The training of a VA is guided by a sophisticated loss function that balances two critical objectives. Firstly, there's the reconstruction loss. This component measures how well the decoder can reconstruct the original input image from the latent vector generated by the encoder. A lower reconstruction loss means the VA is doing a good job of preserving the essential information of the input. Secondly, and uniquely to VAs, is the KL divergence loss. This term ensures that the probabilistic distributions output by the encoder for each input are close to a simple prior distribution, typically a standard Gaussian. This forces the latent space to be continuous and well-structured, preventing the VA from simply memorizing inputs and encouraging it to create a meaningful, explorable latent landscape. The careful balancing act between these two loss components is what allows VAs to achieve both fidelity to the input and powerful generative capabilities. The true power of VAEs in AI art lies in their ability to generate genuinely novel content. By sampling new points from the learned latent space, the VAE's decoder can bring forth images that have never existed before, yet still adhere to the stylistic and semantic characteristics learned from its training data. This means artists can leverage VAEs to explore an almost infinite array of variations on a theme, generating thousands of unique images that serve as inspiration or even finished pieces. From creating abstract landscapes and dreamlike portraits to designing unique patterns and textures, VAEs empower artists to push the boundaries of their creativity. This generative capability moves beyond mere replication, enabling an endless stream of original artistic output, making it an invaluable tool for conceptual artists, digital creators, and designers seeking fresh perspectives and novel forms. Beyond generating entirely new pieces, VAEs excel at creative interpolation and style blending, offering artists unprecedented control over artistic evolution. Because the latent space is continuous, we can take two distinct art pieces, encode them into their respective latent vectors, and then smoothly interpolate between these 2 points in the latent space. As we move along this latent path, the decoder will generate a seamless series of images that gradually morph from the first artwork to the second, creating a stunning visual transition. This technique allows for the creation of hybrid artworks, combining features, textures, and styles from multiple sources in a controlled and aesthetically pleasing manner. Imagine blending the brushstrokes of Van Gogh with the color palette of Monet, or merging a photograph with an oil painting. This capability unlocks a new dimension of artistic collaboration, enabling artists to explore fluid transitions and novel combinations. While VAEs offer incredible creative potential, they are not without their challenges. One common limitation has been the occasional tendency for VAEs to produce somewhat blurry or less sharp outputs compared to other generative models, particularly when scaling to very high resolutions. Additionally, the computational demands for training large, high-performing VAEs can be significant, requiring substantial hardware resources and time. However, the field is rapidly evolving. Researchers are continuously developing innovations such as conditional VAEs, which allow for more controlled generation based on specific attributes or categories. We are also seeing advancements in architectures to improve output resolution and perceptual quality. The future promises VAEs with even greater fidelity, more intuitive artistic control, and broader integration into creative workflows, enabling artists to harness their power with unprecedented precision and stunning visual results. This ongoing evolution ensures VAEs will remain at the forefront of AI art generation. In conclusion, variational autoencoders are not merely tools for generating images. They represent a fundamental shift in how we approach artistic creation. By providing a structured, explorable latent space, VAEs empower artists to delve into novel aesthetic territories, blend diverse styles, and unlock an unprecedented scale of creative output. They serve as collaborators, extending the artist's imagination and offering an infinite wellspring of inspiration. The future of AI art is not about machines replacing human artists, but rather about a symbiotic relationship, a powerful synergy where human intuition and machine intelligence combine to forge entirely new forms of expression. As VA technology continues to advance, we can anticipate a vibrant era of human-AI collaboration, pushing the boundaries of what is creatively possible and redefining the very definition of art in the 21st century. The canvas is expanding, and VAs are painting the way.